Hi, I'm Adam Hayes. I'm the executive chef at Canyon Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking over the Carolina Cookers Discotta, which is a pretty cool little contraption we got over here, but we're going to be doing this waffle quail. So basically making a waffle batter. It's gluten-free and dredging the quail breast in it, and we're just getting a quick fry in the Discotta. So what I have here in this bowl today is basically the waffle batter. This is made with rice flour, also some soda water, just a little bit of flavor like that. We're going to dredge it in this. Get nice and messy here. There we go. All right, so now we've got this. We're going to turn to our Discotta. We've got a nice steady flame going. It's heating the oil up. We're going to go in with this battered quail. We'll start just a little bit. Just let it kind of sit there on the edge. Move it around just a little bit, and then lay it on in. All right, I'm going to pull these out of the hot oil. Transfer them to a plate with some paper towels on them. Let it absorb any excess oil that's on there. Over here on the fire, I've got me some delicious stone ground grits. This is an excellent accompaniment with this dish, actually, because you cook this for breakfast or brunch or whatever. This is a good one for us. So take some of these delicious grits, put a little scoop there, lay one of these giant waffle battered quail breast. This is a sorghum molasses vinaigrette. Stir that up. It's going to be our syrup for this whole thing. Just a little unique way to do it there. See that? It's a professional way. Just go around it. There you go. And then for garnish, got some little watercress lettuce. And there you have it. And that's the rice waffle battered quail with creamy grits and sorghum molasses vinaigrette.